Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please to subscribe so you will see more videos like this, and also please don't forget to check the notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you another unboxing, your queen of unboxing. Okay, thank you. And okay, so this is the unboxing for today. I wonder what is this. I'm so excited. You know guys, all my unboxing I don't know what's inside. So my husband always surprises me. My husband is full of surprises. Never run out of surprises for me. So which is, I'm very glad because I like surprises. Love, love, love. I don't buy things for myself. Someone else buy for me. Oh my gosh, what's this? Is it a towel? What's this? Oh, so that's the receipt. This is Christmas. Oh, so this is my Christmas present.
Yes.
Oh,
Merry Christmas, my darling.
Thank you so much, Alec. This is my Christmas present.
It's nothing much, but I think it's something you need.
Oh, yeah. I told you I need a new one. So you got it already. I'm thinking of going to buy it for myself. And now you got it for me. It saves me time and saves me money. Oh wow! So this is Brentford's England 1959 towel dressing gown. Oh, so this is the dressing gown.
Bathrobe.
Dressing gown? Bathrobe. It says towel dressing gown.
That is bathrobe. So.
Bathrobe. Oh. Okay. I have to wash it first before using. Oh my gosh, it's flowing on the floor.
It's very big.
Very long. Oh my gosh, it's like I'm getting married in the bathroom.
Put it
Using
on
the
and let's see
bathroom.
if it's going to be on the floor.
Oh dear.
What's the size? Does it have the size on it?
The size is wash before use, made in Pakistan. No, there's no size, so it
Maybe
must
it's
be.
just one size.
Yeah, it must be free size. There's no size. Also, it's good. I can cut a tiny bit here, and then I can make it.
Cut, just fold it back and
No,
stitch it.
I can cut it and make a headband. Or
Don't cut it. Put it on top of that
okay,
and see if it's going to be on the floor.
I'll see.
It's on the floor, just fold the bottom and then stitch it a bit. So.
Yeah.
Is it on the floor?
No.
No, it's okay, just leave it.
No,
Be
it's
careful if you go up and down the stairs.
No, it's not on the floor, but it's nearly on the floor. Because I'm petite.
Petite. My petite sweet flower.
I'm petite, and this size is over petite. Oh my gosh, it's not washed, and I'm wearing it.
No, it's okay.
It's nice. I like the color. Yeah. And it's a towel, so it dries me quickly.
Big pockets as well.
There's a pocket. I think this is supposed to be dressing gown, darling.
It's toweling size bathrobe. You can use it as a dressing gown as well, but
Yeah, I
There
think
are
it's a
nicer
bottle.
dressing gowns than that.
Towel, yeah.
Yeah.
This is already towel, so
Yeah.
it dries me. So that's nice. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. And the pocket is already there. I have to I have to bend down. I don't put anything on in the pocket
You
anyway.
can
So
put your turban in the
my
pocket.
turban. Oh my gosh, I have to go in the shower later because I wear this.
It's
It's not
brand new.
because it's not washed.
Brand spanking new.
It's not washed. I always wash everything new that I wear. Oh my gosh! Thank you so much, darling.
You're welcome, my darling.
Thank you so much. I love it. Thank you for watching, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Look at that. I got a bathrobe.
Bathrobe.
Oh my god. Thank you so much. OHS. Online Home Shop.
Yeah.
I think Star Blue. So they have dressing gown, they got blanket and some other stuff.
Nice bedding and all that as well.
Beddings. Also, yeah. Oh, thank you so much, darling. I love it. Thank
You're welcome,
you.
my darling.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and see you in my next video. Ta-da! For
Merry
another
Christmas.
unboxing. Merry Christmas, everyone. Thank you.